Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on About Phone. Now you need to click on Device Name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK in the pop-up and select OK in this one about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!